So I'll be showing you how to mount a camera to your tripod. Now the first thing you need to do is get this little thing off your tripod. So there's going to be a latch on any tripod like this. So just just pull the latch and then you can pick this thing up. Okay. Now this is the one you first screw this 1/4 inch screw to the 1/4 inch screw socket on your camera. Okay. And make sure you align it the way you'll want it to appear, or basically the way you'll want it to sit on the camera. Okay, so just align it like this and then screw it in. Very simple. So once you align it, just screw it in using this. You can see it has a handle to help you screw it in. So just make sure you position it exactly the way you want, and then just screw it in. Make sure it's sitting properly, and don't make it too tight. And once it sits properly like that, then now you can put this back to the camera. So again, just place it like this, lift the latch. Once it sits in place, then you can lock it in place, and it's as simple as that. That's basically how to mount a camera or any DSLR to a tripod. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.